a bright red lipstick. That's what I generally wear. I always wear a bright red lipstick. That's my favorite. Powder. Yeah, it's almost empty. Lakme iconic in the blue shade. I like this. Your face would be of one shade, and hello everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. It's going to be a quick office makeup look video today. A makeup video. Let's create this look on my face. A quick office, simple quick office makeup look, and let's get started. To begin with, I have applied moisturizer. That's step number one. This is how I do my makeup. This is not necessarily how you should do your makeup, or this is not the right way to do makeup. Sorry, I had forgotten my mic. So this is step number one is moisturizer, which I've already applied. You can apply any moisturizer that suits you on the face and the neck. Next, I go with sunscreen. This is the sunscreen that I use. Dermaco SPF 50, 3 pumps of it on the face. My skincare routine is basically telling sorry to my skin for eating all the junk, and that's how I have got so many pimples on my face. Sorry, skin. I apply that sunscreen on hands. I applied almost 2.5 pumps to the face itself. Then I'll apply the rest to the hand. It's 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen, so it's also adding up to my moisture. It helps in moisturizing my face a little more because I'm in Bangalore currently and the weather is too dry. You here can apply moisturizer and sunscreen at least 30 minutes before your makeup so that your skin absorbs it. Next up is this Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. Uh, so I apply primer because I almost apply makeup every other day. Primer is applied to blur your pores as well as doesn't let makeup go into your skin. So that's why you need a primer. This primer costs 650 rupees for 30 ml. All of this is optional. This is skincare and not makeup. I have a big pimple here and one scar here, one scar here. I'm blaming it on karma and not my bad sleep cycle and junk food choices. Let's just say nature decided to give me a pimple and escape. I have deep under eyes. I have hooded eyes. So I have this cheeks, right? So I have this under eye shape. So hollow eyes. That makes my dark circles look darker. And today I'm running late, so there's not going to be any concealer and concealing that part. Let's leave it. So this is the foundation I'm directly applying. Maybelline matte poreless 220 shade foundation, and it's SPF 22. I use this foundation brush. If you don't have a foundation brush, you can still apply it with your hands, but if you have it, application becomes very easy. I have personally applied with hands, fingers before buying a brush, and trust me, I used to look like a ghost. It is a high coverage foundation, and don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. Otherwise, your face would be of one shade, and the difference would be visible basically. What I'm attempting is a four product makeup look: foundation, compact eyeliner, and lipstick. That's it. I have a lot of acne marks here, so I think this foundation covered it. This is me admiring the Maybelline foundation. This almost elevated the look from how I was before. Next is compact powder and brush. This is that soft brush, and Maybelline Fit Me Matte plus Poreless 220 Natural Beige Powder. Yeah, it's almost empty. This is the condition of it. This brush came as a part of 5 brush set that was 5 different brushes, and it costed 750 rupees. This is from Swiss Beauty. That's the brand of brush. Then people say you have to do and remove the excess powder and then apply. But it's okay. At this point, I don't even know what I'm doing. Please hit that like button to support me. Next steps are kajal and a lipstick, and I'm done. So kajal is Lakme Iconic in the blue shade. I like this. So I was tired of using the black eyeliner, so after that I shifted to this. I don't apply it generally on the waterline. I'll apply and come back because I can't apply like this. This is how I applied, a little smudged, and Lakme Iconic blue color kajal is smudgeless, smudge proof, whatever you call it. So it doesn't smudge, it stays wherever it is. So, however, I've applied. Can you see the blue eyeliner? This stays as it is. Then the lipstick is Maybelline Sensational. eh, What shade is this? Sensational 03. This is the shade. I think it's flame red. I think that's the shade. You can take a little bit of this lipstick and apply it on your cheeks to make it look like a blush also. Yeah, a bright red lipstick. That's what I generally wear. I always wear a bright red lipstick. That's my favorite. And then a bindi. And then we are done. Do you also do these kind of bindi jugards? Let me know in the comments. And I was 100% confident here that bindi is going to go out of shape. Blue eyeliner, Lakme Instant Liner. To apply a bindi, I think my bindi has gone elsewhere. This is the quick makeup final look. And I'll change into office costume and report back. Yay! So this is the final look. Do you think this makeup look was doable? Will you try this? Please do try it and let me know how did it go in the comments. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know how did you like the look, how did you like the lipstick, and do you use blue eyeliners? So let me know in the comments if you found this video useful. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please subscribe. Also hit that hype button and support your girl Lakshmi Kamath vlogs. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.